Good morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variables for class 10th exercise 3.4 question number first part first. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Firstly I want to describe about form of pair of linear equation in two variables. Because you can ask question to me what is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is new for you, so you can ask question very easy. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question by two methods. First geometrical method, second algebraical method. Geometrical method shows three systems. First consistent system, second inconsistent system, third consistent dependent system. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line, consistent system and unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line, inconsistent system and no solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solutions. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about algebraical methods. There are three types of algebraical methods. First substitution method, second elimination method, third cross multiplication method. You can solve your question very easily by the help of elimination methods. It is very easy, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is a very important for me, so do not forget. Like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. See the pair of linear equation in two variable for class 10 exercise 3.4. Question number 1. Solve the following pair of linear equation by the elimination method. By the elimination method and the substitution methods. Clear? Question first part first, x plus y equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to 4. It is given equation. You solve given equation by elimination method and substitution method. But firstly I want to solve given equation by elimination methods. Clear? Solution by elimination method. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. Given equation. X plus y equal to 5. It is equation first. 2x minus 3y equal to 4. It is equation second. It is equation first and it is equation second. Clear? You solve equation first and second by elimination methods. Clear? Now we multiply by 2 in equation. We multiply by 2 in equation first and then multiply by and multiply by -3, multiply by 3, only 3 in equation first. Equation we multiply by 2 in equation first and multiply by one, here 1 in equation second. Clear? Multiply by 2 in equation first, here is 2. Multiply by 1 in equation second, here 1 x. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It become, here multiply by 2 in equation first, it become 2x plus 2y equal to 10. Clear? 2x plus 2y equal to 10. It is equation third. And multiply by 1 in equation second. Here 2x minus 3y equal to 4. When you multiply by 1, then it become 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Same. Clear? 2x minus 3y equal to 4. It is equation 4. You find equation third and equation 4 by multiplying by 2 in equation first and by 1 in equation second. Clear? Now subtract equation 3 and equation 4. Now subtract equation third and equation 4. Subtract equation third and equation 4. Two x plus 2y equal to 10. Equation third, 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Equation 4. You draw a line and change its sign. Here plus, so you write minus. Here minus, so you write plus. Here plus, so you write minus. Here plus 2x and here minus 2x. So you can cut it. Clear? Here plus 2y and here plus 2y. So you can add it. It become 5y plus 5y equal to, here plus 10, here minus 4. You subtract it. It become 6. Clear? 5y equal to 6. Y equal to 6 by 5. You find y equal to 6 by 5. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now put y equal to 6 by 5. Y equal to 6 by 5 in equation third or fourth. You can put it in any equation. Clear? Put in equation third. Put y equal to 6 by 5 in equation third. Clear? Equation third is 2x plus 2y equal to 10. It is equation third. Here 2x plus 2 multiply 6 by 5 equal to 10. Here y value of y is 6 by 5. Clear? 2x plus 6 to the 12 by 5 equal to 10. You can write plus 12 by 5 on right side of equal. It becomes 2x equal to 10 by 1 minus 12 by 5. Clear? Here 10. You can write it 10 by 1. Now you take LCM of 1 and 5. LCM of 1 and 5. 5. 5 divided by 1 you find 5. 5 multiply 10. You find 10 5 is 50. Minus 5 divided by 5. You find 1. 1 multiply by 12. You find 12. 12. 2x equal to 50 minus 12 by 5. You subtract it. It becomes 2x equal to 38 by 5. Clear? X equal to 38 by 5 multiply 2. You can cut it. 2 1 ja 2, 2 9 19 ja 38. It becomes 19 by 5. 19 by 5. You find x equal to 19 by 5 and y equal to 6 by 5. It is your answer. It is your answer. Hence, we find x equal to 19 by 5 and y equal to 6 by 5 by the help of elimination method. By the help of elimination method. It is clear? No confusion about it. You solve your question very easily by the help of elimination method. Elimination method is clear? No confusion about it. Very good. It is very easy. Clear? In this way you can solve any question very easily by the help of elimination method. Clear? Like, subscribe and share is very important for you. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Okay.